Imagine you bought a Ferrari and you used it only to deliver pizza in your neighborhood. You are technically using the car, but you are missing the point. This is exactly what 99% of people are doing with AI right now. We are treat AI like a faster typewriter. Write this email, fix my grammar, generate 10 blog ideas. We use it for generation, but generation is the lowest form of AI value. I want you to visualize the AI value ladder. Level 1 is generation. This is where everyone starts creating text, images, codes. It saves time, but it doesn't create leverage. Level 2 is automation, connecting AI to your workflow. When I get an email, AI summarizes it and put it in Notion. This is better. This buys you freedom. Level 3 is reasoning. This is where the money comes in. This is not asking AI to write for you, it is asking AI to think with you. Let me show you the difference. Level 1, user. ChatGPT, write a marketing strategy for my coffee shop. Result, generic boring advice. Post on Instagram, run ads. Level 3 user, you don't ask for the output, you stimulate the customer. You say, act like a cynical snob who hates the big chain. I am launching a new shop. Critique my menu and tell me why you would hate me. Do you see the difference? Level 1 creates content, level 3 creates insight. One replaces your hands and the other upgrades your brain. So please stop using supercomputer like a typewriter. If you are ready to actually understand the business of AI, welcome to AlloyPress. Subscribe if you want to simplify AI and tell me in the comments, are you stuck in the level 1 or pushing for the level 3? I'll see you in the future.